Hey everyone, doing a quick video here to talk about the amazing ENJO Lavender Laundry Soap. This bottle is 1000 ml, and in this bottle I'm able to get approximately 400 loads. It is so amazing. I love it. See the color in here? It's nice and clear. The bottle is actually gray color, so that's why it looks a little bit different in here. But I put it against the white here just so that you can see. The ingredients are very simple, so anyone that has sensitivities on their skin or allergies or migraines and headaches and stuff, and you cannot tolerate any smells and scents, this one is a really great mild one. So I'm going to read to you the ingredients here. It says right in here that this has water, salt, ethanol, orange peel oil, lavender oil, mountain pine oil. This is what is in this amazing soap. So if you're looking for an alternative soap that will not damage the environment, but it is also ethically made, I would really highly recommend this soap. So half a teaspoon for a full load. But I wanted to show you how beautiful clean my ENJO laundry is. This is white shirts. I did a white load with this. And if you have worries with and concerns with your white laundry, please reach out and I can let you know how I can help you make your laundry this amazing. So I'm just going to show you a few. So I just folded them. I did probably 8 loads this week, but look at how beautiful this laundry is. It is so nice and clean. I love the way it leaves everything nice and crisp and white. If you've got grays, it's also awesome on every color. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't hurt your laundry with colors, so there's no worry there. It will not fade them, but these have been pre-treated as well because some of these shirts had stains. So I actually do a pre-treat sometimes using the orange blossom soap. But as you can see, this is all fresh and clean. And I love the way this laundry smell. But the other great benefit about the ENJO laundry soap is that you also don't need to use fabric softener, because fabric softener is actually terrible for the environment, as you all know. And the ENJO laundry soap has an oil. The oils that are in there are what help the laundry from not getting staticky. So this is how beautiful and amazing my laundry comes out. But I also wanted to show you how it isn't just about the ENJO laundry soap and why I love ENJO so much, but I'm able to hang all of my laundry. I've got this amazing hanging rack here. I bought this actually at Costco. It has multi-levels, as you can see down here at the bottom. See how it's got these little bars down here. So I can hang so much laundry using this amazing rack. So if anyone also loves to hang their laundry and you love that you have a beautiful smell in your home, as well as if you wanted to hang them outside, please reach out and I can tell you about this hanging rack. But really, you need to invest in this incredible ENJO laundry soap. So have a great day and hope that helps to answer your questions about the laundry soap.